Okay. So the first thing we will do is we will take one paper. Okay. Any color paper you can use, whatever color you have. So we will take this paper and
any color.
Madam,
we will fold it like this and make it into a pocket like this. Okay.
First you'll
We just
cut
need
like
to
this.
apply the glue. There is no
After
cutting
cutting the
required. You
paper
just
like
need to
this,
fold it.
then you will fold.
Yes. So the pocket will come up like this. So once it's done, you can just stick the end of the paper.
Madam,
Okay. So once you have completed your sticking part, the pocket will look like this. Okay. Yes. Yes. Perfect. Okay. So you can keep this aside. Okay. Now we will take the second sheet. If everyone is ready.
Like this, exactly like a cone.
Yes,
Yeah,
just
yeah,
like a cone. Exactly.
like this. Just like a cone.
Yes. So you can keep it aside.
Okay.
Okay, I hope all parents have done their cones.
I'm only one cone. Only one sheet.
Only one.
Only one cone will do.
Only one.
Okay. Now we will take the second sheet of paper. Okay. The second sheet, any color you can use. Whichever color you have, you can use that. And we are going to fold this into half. Just fold the sheet into half. And the half sheet again you will fold it. So it will make 4-layer sheet. Okay. Again I'm going to show you. You will take one sheet, fold it into half. Fold this into half sheet. Then again fold this portion into half. So it will become a 4-layer sheet. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Now
Like this.
we will draw a leaf shape. So I'll just draw and show it to you all. Okay. So this is the leaf shape you will draw on one side of the paper. Okay.
Leaf.
Yes.
Yeah, like this.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly like
Yes.
this.
Yeah,
no, just a minute, ma'am. First half fold, then another fold, right?
Then another half fold. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Then in one sheet, one side of the paper, you will just draw this leaf shape.
No, to
Okay. Now, whoever has completed drawing this, just cut this portion. So, if you start cutting, 4 leaves will come out from this paper. So, just start cutting this portion.
Madam, koi na koi.
Okay. paper, whichever is the remainder. Don't throw this paper, just keep it aside because we will be needing this portion also. So just keep it aside, just don't throw it away. So we got these 4 leaves,
After cutting, it will come out like this.
okay? So we got these 4 leaves. Yes. Okay. So the leaves are ready. Now we will start making a flower out of it. So just you will fold this portion, the one end with the other end. Just like the cone we had made it, you will make it into a cone shape.
Just folding it like
Okay, so it will come out like this. Just the one end with the other end.
yeah, like
So it will be formed in a cone shape. Okay, so
And
it
then
will come
stick
out
this
like
part.
this. Just stick this portion.
after sticking, it will look
Ma'am, the
something
cone
like this.
will be open from one side, right? Even the smaller cone. No, no.
It will look like this, exactly like this. Okay, so the top portion will be open. You will just close the ends.
Just push. Yeah, Ritrika's mother, it is perfect.
You just need to fold in the ends so it will look like this.
No, no, no.
Yes, very good,
Yeah.
Shunika. Yes.
Shunika, good.
So you can start making the rest of the cones.
Yeah, Shrejita just paste it like this. Fold the cone. Fold the paper to form a cone. Yeah, something like this.
Now what do you do?
Hold the both ends and then paste it.
ನಾನು ಗರಂ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ರೊಮ್ಮಲೋಗೆ ಸರ್ नहीं मुझे फैंडा कम नहीं दिल्ली सुबह जाओ लोग तेरा फोन बन गया हाँ नमक स्टिक करिवो तापरे फोन बन ना
SP.
Okay, so once the cones are ready,
No. No.
तापर मैडम कर दे
with the third color paper, we will make small strips. Just a small strip. I'll show you.
मैडम देखते हैं कौन
Yes. So with the third color paper, you will make these small strips. Okay. Since you have 4 cones, so we will make 4 strips. And we are going to stick those strips on our flowers.
Ma'am, how big should be the strips? Can you just show that strip? One
Just
strip.
a small it can be like this. Okay, so the strip size will be like this. This much will be.
Okay.
And you will stick it inside your flower.
Cool. Okay.
Cone. Mama cone.
रो हाथ तो होला
No, no. Under garden.
इमिति करे ना मैडम कोई जल्दी चारटा छोटो छोटो बन्नी
छोटो छोटो mama.
देखो ना मैडम बन्नी जल्दी তাহলে কোন ম্যাডাম
ম্যাম ফ্লাওয়ারের ভেতরে কি করে লাগাচ্ছেন একবার দেখান
You will just apply the Fevicol and just keep it inside the flower. I'll just show you.
আমার এটা একটু ধরতো
Like this. Just paste it like this.
মামা দাঁড়া 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 দে 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 ম্যাম ঠিক আছে
Yes.
Acha.
কাঁচিটা রাখ
Ma'am, like this.
Ma'am, I dance korbo na.
Yes.
I dance korbo na.
You will, Aratrika, after the class. Okay, once your flowers are ready, we will go to the next step. We will take our flower, and if anyone has the straw, we will just put it inside the flower.
Ma'am, ice cream stick.
Okay, if you have ice cream stick, just paste the flower with the ice cream stick. So you can just paste it like this. Okay, and whoever is using the straw, you can just push the straw through the hole of the flower and just make it into a stand. So it will come up like this. Okay.
मैम द
So with
आइसक्रीम
your-
स्टिक just one second
with the ice cream stick, you can just stick the flower with the stick.
outside
Yes. Just stick the flower with the stick. Just apply glue and stick the flower.
इधर लगा दो ये फेविकॉल खुली ना लगा देखिए लगा सब मुझे भी रहेगा ना टाइट हो जाए हाँ लगा इधर लगा
ধরো নিও না এখন নিও না রাখো কাজ করছি ম্যাম done.
Yes. So now you can, once it's done, you can apply some Fevicol to it. Now in the pocket, you will just make the ice cream stick stand. At the back of the ice cream stick or in the pocket, you can just add some glue
বাড়ি দিল কাজ কোথায় গেল কুকুর
Annie ma'am,
Yes.
can you just repeat one step? Like once done with the second paper, the smaller petal, then what to do with the third paper?
With the third paper, you will make these strips like this.
Okay,
Just
only need to.
strips like this, and you will paste it inside the flower.
Okay, then.
And if you are using straw, you will just place the straw inside the paper. And if you are using ice cream stick, just stick the back portion of the flower with the stick itself. And you will be pasting the same in the pockets using the glue.
Okay. Mama, এদিকে 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 এসো তাড়াতাড়ি এসো তাড়াতাড়ি এসো তাড়াতাড়ি টেনশন দাও না
ম্যাম ম্যাম এরম ভাবে করবো নাকি এরম ভাবে করবো
Front facing, ma'am.
দাও দাও দাও
Ma'am, that stick will be downwards when we are doing it with ice cream stick. Ma'am, can you just tell us with the ice cream stick, how do we stick it on the large spoon?
Just a minute. It will be sticked like this. Just a small portion will be visible. So the flowers will be standing inside the pocket. Basically, we are making a bouquet of flowers. So you can just adjust your length anyways. It is not like you have to do it like us only. You can make it a bit taller. You can make it a bit shorter also.
Login. या भीतर लगेगा इधर आउ टिके लगे दियो आउ टिके एडे भलरे एडे हां या लगे तो ठीक रे लगाओ आउ लगाओ हिंद नो हाथ रो नी इधर लगाओ डायरेक्ट हां रखी तुम लगाओ हाथ रो लगेले हाथ रे लागि दियो हाथ धरो तुम हाथ धरो ए पछरे धरो
ম্যাম লাইক দিস
आरोडारे ये करबो आउरी अछि
Yes.
Yes, perfect.
लगे देलो
Arishika has some perfect.
चिपके दियो इडारे करो इडारे लगा ठीक रे लगा टाइट रे लगे एडु ए जाए इंदी पूरा इंदी जिंदी क्रेयॉन्स करो आउथर कर दी हे गला तो या भीतर लगे दियो या नहीं तुम हाथ रो चापी दियो हाथ रो चापी चापिला उनको तो आउटे खुली जाऊ जी आउ
Okay, so the bouquet will look like this with the flowers.
आउटे लगाओ इधर तुम लगाओ पूरा लगाओ आउट आउट एडे भी लगाओ देखो सब बेब्रो हे जाऊ जी ये होउनी देखो ए आउट हां तुम इधर लगाओ एक छोटा फोन इधर लगे दे या इधर लगे दे इन हाथ रो एटा धरि हाथ उठाई जो चिपकी जीवो मैडम केही बेबी लगो ना इन हाथ रो लगा हाथ धरो एडी पुनी मामा चॉकलेट दो
Your bouquet look something like this. Yes, very nice. Okay, now the last portion, we will make one small, we will make a heart, not a small heart, at least a medium size heart with any of the color paper you like.
ऐसी एक येलो पेपर देना
Okay, so now we are going to paste this heart over here in the cone. Okay, and inside the heart, you will write Happy Mother's Day.
ऐसी हाँ লাগবে না সিধা করলাম এবারে এটা কোথায় রাখবো বলো হ্যাপিনেস
Yes. Okay, so once the heart is pasted in the cone, you can just write Happy Mother's Day. We will love the mothers to hold the hands of the children and make them write, because this is something like they should be doing with you. But since they are too small, so we will love, at least they should write it for you.
বড় হোক
And can you just show the bouquet once?
Yes, yes, sure.
লিখো ডি
Sure.
লিখা হচ্ছে
You can just make the length of the flowers anyways. One should be tall, one should be taller than it, and one should be short. So you can arrange the flowers as you want.
Just over here. Yeah, very good, Hashwin. Hashwin has completed his work. Very good.
Very nice, lovely.
Very nice.
ম্যাম শ্রীনিকাটা ঠিক আছে চুকা দেখ আগে
Yes, very nice.
Yes, very nice. Very good.
Very nice. Exactly. That is a gift from your daughter.
It is for all the mothers from their own daughters
Actually, for all
on
the
the occasion
mothers,
of Mother's Day.
the kids are too small, so we can't expect much from them. But I guess this is something that you should cherish, that you have made with your child. This is actually into the child more than Teachers, you all are actually like doing all the things. So we just want to say a big thank you to all the mothers out there.
We are grateful to all of you for your effort, for making your child sit, from doing them work, from even teaching at home, doing them, making them revise. So we are all grateful to you, all the parents, all the mothers especially,
Yes.
for sitting online, even for offline, sitting for the activity. So we are grateful to you all.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
mothers.
Thank you, mothers.
We wish you all a happy Mother's Day from
Thank
Little
you.
Bright Stars.
Thank
Happy
you.
Mother's Day to all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wishing everyone.
Okay.
For the
Parents, I
Mother's
would
Day.
love you all to take a picture